In this video, we will discuss the features of Stellar Toolkit for Outlook and the softwares included in Toolkit package. Microsoft Outlook Repair Toolkit supports Outlook administrators in automating day-to-day Outlook data file management activities with 100% precision. You can repair severely corrupted PST files, export mailbox data to Office 365, Microsoft 365, merge different PST files, compact PST files for efficiency, and much more. Softwares in Stellar Toolkit for Outlook: Stellar Repair for Outlook, Stellar Converter for OST, Stellar Splitter for Outlook, Stellar Compactor for Outlook, Stellar Merge Mailbox for Outlook, Stellar Deduplicator for Outlook, Stellar Undelete Email for Outlook, Stellar Password Recovery for Outlook. Let's explain all softwares in detail. Stellar Repair for Outlook. The Outlook PST repair software in Stellar Toolkit for Outlook repairs personal folders safely and recovers all the mailbox components in a PST file while keeping the original form intact. Stellar Splitter for Outlook. It splits large PST files into smaller personal folder files based on date, size, etc. Stellar's Outlook Toolkit's file splitting utility helps the users to increase the efficiency of their email client. Stellar Compactor for Outlook. Minimize the chances of corruption by compacting the personal folder files, thereby avoiding them from becoming oversized using Stellar Compactor for Outlook. Stellar Converter for OST. Convert inaccessible OST files to PST file format with the help of Stellar Converter for OST, and access the converted file by importing it in an Outlook profile. Stellar Merge Mailbox for Outlook. The Merge PST component of Outlook Email Toolkit merges multiple personal folder files and ensures that there is no redundancy due to duplicate mail components. Stellar Deduplicator for Outlook. Sometimes, while deleting the duplicate emails, users may also end up deleting the critical emails. The Remove Duplicate Emails from Outlook component of the Software Toolkit's component removes all duplicate emails from the mailbox with precision. Stellar Password Recovery for Outlook. The Personal Folder File Manager, or Stellar Toolkit for Outlook, suggests alternative passwords to open the PST files and recover lost or forgotten passwords. Stellar Undelete Email for Outlook. Recover deleted emails with the help of Stellar Undelete Email for Outlook. This Outlook Email Manager recovers all components of Outlook, including deleted and lost emails, folders, calendars, contacts, tasks, and more. Link is also given in the description below. Download and explore the benefits of Stellar Toolkit for Outlook yourself before purchasing a license. Thanks for watching.